Actually, it's a new festival here in Madrid. It's one weekend Barcelona, next weekend in Madrid. It is the same stages, the same artists, mostly the same equipment for sound, light, and also we are doing the 3 stages, the 360 degrees service. Well, it's a challenge because there is not a lot of time to overnight one show to another city, but with a good preparation, I think we do it very well. I really like to thank Primavera Sound, and I would also like to thank all the crew, more than 150 people working here. It was raining yesterday really hard, but we make it, and all the audience really enjoyed it.